Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, welcome back to another video. This video is something special. I've just taken my first test in 2023 and the result is out. I'm very excited to share a few things, insights of what I did in the test, why I took the test. The very first thing, what was the main purpose, why I took this test? There have been many rumors, a lot of things that PT is not the same in 2023. It has completely changed. Strategies are not working, templates are not working, difficulty level is high, low, and a lot of things, right? I have always told you in my previous videos that yes, nothing's changed. And there were many students who wanted me to take the test. So that is why I went and that is why I went and I took this test. First thing, I wanted to check if read aloud one line strategy is working or not. Second, essay template, can you still use the templates or not? Third, can you use the templates in summarized spoken text? And fourth, can you add extra words and write from dictation? So this all I tested yesterday. Let me share my screen. First of all, I'll show you what score I've got, and then we'll discuss a few more things. As well. Now, what all I did, I used one line strategy just to see if it is actually working. And if it was not working, it wouldn't have worked. I wouldn't have got 19 speaking and reading. So it is 120% working. Essay template, I use the same template I shared with you guys a few weeks back. I'll attach the link to that video in the description box. Right from dictation, I added extra words, and summarize spoken text, I use the same template I've shared with you guys. Let's go task by task, what I did and what you need to do in order to crack with the perfect 90. I'll try to be quick so that I don't take a lot of time and then give you a lot of information as well. Read aloud, I used one line strategy. You can read full as well, that's working. But if you're struggling with read aloud, you think you're losing points in speaking and reading because of read aloud, go with one line strategy. You need to speak around 8 to 10 words, speak clearly, fluently, and move on. That's what I did. I'll attach the link to the in-depth explanation of read aloud one line strategy in the description box as well. I got 7 read alouds. I used one line strategy. Repeat sentence, I got 11 this time, and 3 to 4 were difficult. I was not able to repeat 100%. I did the same thing as I always tell you. Understand the meaning of the sentence as much you remember, speak it clearly and fluently. If you don't have enough content, as much as you remember, speak it and then just say, and I'm very happy, just to maintain your fluency. Describe image, I got 3. Retail lecture, I got 1. Describe image, I spoke around 20 seconds. I repeated same keywords as I did in my previous test. If you're not sure about any word, do not speak it. Retail lecture, only 1. Use the template he told about, spoke around 25-30 seconds. Here as well, I had around 15 keywords, so I spoke most of the keywords twice just to cover up the time. Answer short questions, I got 6. I knew the answer for 3 to 4. 2, I was not sure about the answer, so I just spoke keywords from the question. That's what I always tell you, and that's what I did in my test as well. Next, summarize written text. Selected 3 to 4 sentences, joined them using connectors. I didn't even change a single word, and that is what I've explained to you in all my previous videos. Essay, I used the latest essay template which I shared 2 weeks back. Exactly word to word, I wrote that one, included all the keywords from the essay topic in my answer. That is what all of you have to do as well. Reading, I got 35 minutes. I got 17 to 18 questions, I guess. 1 or 2 questions were tricky, I'll be very honest. I found them tricky as well, but rest of the reading was of moderate level. Reading is something I believe you need to put a bit effort, because speaking, you can use tricks. Writing, you can use templates. Listening, you can use templates and tricks. But reading is something you need to work hard. I got 5 or 6 reading writing blanks, 2 MCQ multiples, 2 or 3 reorders, 5 drag and drop blanks, and 1 MCQ single, something like this. Drag and drop blanks, reading blanks were fine. They were not difficult. Reading, writing blanks, 1 or 2 were difficult. But what I did is, the ones which were easy, I did not waste any time over there. I even finished 1 or 2 passages in 1 minute, so that if I get something difficult later on, I can spend more than 2.5 minutes, right? Ideally, you have to spend 2.5 minutes on one passage. But let's say if you have saved time spending less time on the previous passages, you can spend more time on the next passages. You have to manage your time. Please practice 20 reading blanks, 20 reading writing blanks, which are your drag and drop down blanks every day, and practice 5 to 10 reorders as well. Reading is something you need to work hard, and if you're one of our students, attend the reading special class, which is conducted online and on campus as well. Next, listening, I got 1 summarized spoken text. Being honest, the audio was fast. I was not able to get enough keywords. I repeated the same few keywords. Let's say I've got around 9-10 keywords, right? So 3 to 4 keywords I repeated at the end. So whenever you have less keywords, there were few words, I got them down, but I was not sure about the spellings. I never wrote them. If you have less keywords, let's say if you've got 20 keywords, you only know the spellings for 10, only write those 10 keywords. You can repeat them, but do not write any word you're not sure about. That's my request. I used the template, Language Academy's template, wrote around 67 words, 67, 68 words. And I made sure I, proofread it 3 to 4 times just to make sure there are no spelling errors. MCQ single, MCQ multiple, highlight correct summary, select missing word. I got two of each. I always say don't waste your time, but I always focus on getting the right answer because you cannot skip the audio. You have to listen to the audio. So it's better while the audio is going on, you give your best, listen attentively, give your 120%. And in case you don't get the answer, don't waste your time. But most of the time while the audio is going on, you'll be able to figure out one option, select that. MCQ multiple, I only select one option in both of the MCQ multiple options. Listening fill in the blanks, I got 3, each with 5 blanks, one with 6 blanks, right? 1 or 2 were difficult, but I managed it. Highlight incorrect words, I got 2. One was fast, and there were 2 words I was not sure about. One word actually I was not sure about. I didn't select that because there's negative marking. That's what I'll suggest you. If you're not sure in highlight incorrect words, do not select it. There is negative marking. And last, I got 4 right from dictations. I was nervous. I was a bit scared because, if you miss out on one right from dictation, you can lose a lot of points. But by God's grace, I managed it. 2 right from dictations. I was confused about 3 to 4 words. I added 3 to 4 extra words in 2 right from dictations, right? 2 of them I was pretty sure. I didn't add any extra word in first 2, but in the last 2, I added 3 to 4 extra words, I remember. One was poetries. So I was not really sure about the spellings. I added extra words. So in last 2 right from dictation, I added 3 to 4 extra words, around 4, 5, yeah, something like that. Extra words just to make sure I don't lose points in spellings and in my listening and writing as well. Now, what do we take out of this experiment? Nothing's changed. You can use one-line strategy. You can use reading the full read aloud, whatever suits you. Repeat sentence, even if you're not sure. I messed up the content, still got 90. Why? I maintained my flow. I spoke as much as I remember, but spoke it clearly and fluently. Describe image, read a lecture. Do not speak any word you're not sure. If you have less keywords, you repeat the same. Summarize written text. Do not change. Just follow the format I have provided you in my previous videos. Essay, follow the template I've given you recently. Reading, practice as much as you can. Summarize spoken text. Be careful with your spellings. Follow the template. If there's any word you're not sure about, please don't write it. Listening blanks, be careful with your spellings. Highlight incorrect word, there's negative marking. Do not select if you're not sure. And write from dictation. Wherever you have doubt, add extra words. First, focus on getting everything correct. Don't think, yes, I'll add extra words. You sit and relax. No. Take it as if you cannot add extra words. Practice this way. And whenever you have doubt, add extra words. So don't just rely on that. Use it to your advantage whenever you are in doubt. That's all you have to do. Reading MCQ single and multiple, listening MCQ single, multiple, select missing word, highlight correct summary. Give your best, but do not waste time. That's all you have to do, and you can even get a perfect 90. I'll be very honest with you. If I would be speaking to my friend, I would tell this thing that yes, there were few things I was not sure. And 100%, this cannot be the case that I did everything perfectly in my test. No. Obviously, I would have made a few mistakes, but that is what I always say. Even after having a few mistakes, you can get perfect 90. They're not expecting you to be perfect. They are expecting you to be around 80-90% perfect. Even if you have few mistakes, you'll be fine. If you get something difficult in the test, don't stress. As I got reading 2 passages difficult, but I was calm, confident, gave my 120%, focused on what I can control, and got this score. You can do it as well. PT is not difficult. If I have done it, being honest, you can do it as well. I'm not something, a scholar or something. I am someone like you as well. You just need to understand how the test works. You need to understand what is important, what is not, how to manage time, what to focus on, and you will be 120% fine. I hope the video was helpful. That's it from this video. I wish all of you get a perfect 90. It's not difficult. Just keep it simple. Follow what I have told you and you'll be 100% fine. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try to make 1 or 2 more videos about my recent experience, just to make sure you get as much information as possible and you get your desired scores in the shortest period of time. Varun from Language Academy, if you need any help, you can contact us on any of these numbers. We have got branches in Australia and in India as well. We do provide online classes. Classes run throughout the day. You can attend from anywhere around the world. And if you want to practice, download free 𝗙𝗍𝗲 exam practice app on your iPhone or your Android phone, or you can just go on languageacademy.com.au. Please take one free full scored mock test to see where you stand, what mistakes you're making, and how to improve the same. If the video was helpful, do like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what topics you want me to cover in the coming videos, and I'll try my best to do the same. Varun from Language Academy. I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe. And remember, if I have got 90 overall for the 10th time, you can do it. It's easy. Follow the basics, keep it simple, and success will be yours. I'll see you soon. Take care and stay safe.